Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a planner with Canva. So in your Canva account, you're going to head to the templates tab. Then we're going to type planner into the search bar. So the first choice you need to make is what type of planner are you trying to make? Is it a weekly planner, a daily planner, monthly planner, budget planner, wedding planner? There are loads of options, and you can write something more specific if you know what you want. So I'm just going to click on budget planner. Then loads of different professionally designed budget planners will come up. So as you can see, there's so many to choose from. You can further filter these by style and language. So what type of planner are you looking for? Do you like color? Do you want something bold, or do you want something more sort of like pastel or minimalist? It's totally up to you. There are so many to choose from. So I'm going to click on creative just to see what unusual ones come up. So there's a monthly budget planner, like blue colors, pink colors. But remember that you can edit all of this once you get into the editor. So I'm going to click on this one. I quite like this one, nice and colorful with the flowers. Then I'm going to click on customize this template. Now you can go ahead and edit your planner. So whether you're creating a planner for yourself or to sell, you can go in and make lots of different edits to make it your own. So I can go in and change the text. I can change the font. It's got images on. I can go ahead and delete those, and I can add in new graphics. So if I click on the Elements tab and type in something like flowers, and cool little graphics will come up. So if I don't like the flowers that are on there, I can go ahead and add my own. So something like this, say I want to get rid of that one, and I can put a few daisies in there. So I just need to make that a little bit smaller. So dragging and dropping the elements is really easy, which makes it so fun to edit these templates, even if you're not like a professional designer. So I might delete that flower as well and put maybe another pink one in there. So make it a little bit smaller. So again, everything is drag and drop, and I can put it behind or in front of certain elements. You can change the background. Then I can go in and edit. Maybe I want to change that the text, what is in here. Just go ahead and change everything you want until you get it exactly how you want. When you're happy with it, all you need to do is give it a new name, and then you can download it onto your computer and share it with others. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.